Fix it fast. If your Instant Pot Pro is gushing steam from the top vent during a pressure cook, the valve isn't sealing. This usually isn't a broken pot, just a misaligned part. Here is the fix in under 2 minutes. Step 1. The switch check. Slide the steam release switch firmly to seal. If it's even slightly off-center, it's venting. Give it a deliberate push. Safety tip. Use a wooden spoon to slide the switch if steam is already gushing. You don't need a steam facial today. Step 2. The reseat. The Pro valve is fidgety. If the switch is set to seal but steam is still escaping, the valve itself is likely tilted on its pipe. Cancel the program and release the remaining pressure. Pull the valve straight up, then press it back down firmly until it sits perfectly level and centered. If it's tilted even a millimeter, it won't seal. Step 3. Clean the valve and shield. Starch or grease buildup acts like a wedge, keeping the valve from sitting flat. Pull the valve off and rinse it under hot water. While you're there, pop off the metal anti-block shield from the underside of the lid and clean it too. If that shield is clogged, your pressure regulation will be erratic. Step 4. Check the diffuser cover. The Pro has a plastic steam release cover over the valve to quiet the noise. If this cover isn't clicked into place correctly, it can trap moisture and cause steam to gush out the sides. Make sure the cover is snapped down fully over the valve. Step 5. The replacement. If the valve is clean and seated but still tilts mid-cook, the internal silicone is likely warped. Replacing the valve easy fix that saves the whole unit. I've linked the genuine Pro Series valve in the description. If this helped you stop the steam and get your Pro back to pressure, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. Thanks for watching, and may your steam go up only when you tell it to.